Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheet. This feature help you organize large spreadsheet, hide unnecessary data, and keep your worksheet clean without deleting any information. So let's get started. Example: hide rows. Select single rows or multiple. Hold Control. Select multiple selection or example, right click on your mouse, hide rows. Okay. And see this arrow icon, click the arrow icon, then show. Again, apply for column, choose your column, apply the same process. Example, select column number D, right click on your mouse, apply the same process, hide column, then show. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.